Once upon a time, in a realm where dreams painted the skies and laughter filled the air, there was a hidden village called Sweetville. This wasn't any ordinary village. It was a child's fantasy come to life. The houses were crafted from gingerbread and icing, the gardens bloomed with lollipop flowers, and the rivers flowed with the richest chocolate. In the heart of this sugary paradise lived a young girl named Nia. She was known throughout the village for her unique butterfly wings, which shimmered in the sunlight like a kaleidoscope of colors. Every morning, Nia would spread her wings and glide through the village, sharing her infectious giggle with everyone she met. Nia's best friend was a little boy named Leo. Leo was the village's candy alchemist, always experimenting with new flavors. Together, they made the perfect team, bringing joy and sweetness to every corner of Sweetville. But one day, a shadow loomed over the village. A grumpy old dragon named Grizzle had settled in a nearby cave. Grizzle was a fiery beast with scales as dark as night and eyes that glowed like embers. He detested the constant cheerfulness of Sweetville, and most of all, he despised sweets. In a fit of rage, Grizzle cast a powerful spell that turned all the sweets in Sweetville sour. The gingerbread houses crumbled, the lollipop flowers wilted, and the chocolate rivers turned bitter. The villagers were heartbroken, and the once vibrant Sweetville became a gloomy shadow of its former self. Nia knew she couldn't let her beloved home fall into despair. With Leo by her side, she embarked on a quest to find the legendary sugar crystal, a gemstone with the power to counter any curse. They journeyed through the cotton candy clouds and over the marshmallow mountains, facing challenges and meeting new friends along the way. After a long and treacherous journey, they finally found the sugar crystal, guarded by a flock of candy floss sheep. With the crystal in hand, they returned to Sweetville and confronted Grizzle. The dragon roared with fury as Nia approached. But she wasn't afraid. She spoke to Grizzle with kindness, asking him why he was so unhappy. Grizzle revealed that he had never tasted anything sweet, and that his heart was lonely. Nia offered Grizzle a piece of candy infused with the sugar crystal's magic. The dragon hesitantly tried it, and to his astonishment, he found it delightful. His heart warmed, and he realized that he had been wrong about Sweetville and its inhabitants. With a newfound understanding, Grizzle reversed the spell, restoring Sweetville to its former glory. The villagers rejoiced, and Grizzle was welcomed as a friend. He even helped Leo create a new spicy sweet candy that became a favorite among the villagers. From that day forward, Sweetville was more joyful than ever. Nia and Grizzle proved that even the most unlikely friendships could bring about change and happiness. And so in a village where every day was sweeter than the last, they all lived happily ever after. Moral of the story: even the longest journey begins with a single step of bravery, and the sweetest friendships can blossom in the most unexpected places.